Dear students, today I am going to teach rest part of chapter The Little Girl from your English book Beehive. So find out page number 35. Crying too much to explain, she lay in the shadowed room watching the evening light make a sad little pattern on floor. So students, shadowed room means that as it was dark, there was a light outside the room which was making shadows in the room. A sad little pattern refers to the sad atmosphere in the room. So in this paragraph, Kezia wanted to justify her action as she was innocent. She did not mean to harm her father. वो जानबूझकर उसने नहीं किया था. She was just preparing a surprise birthday gift for him. Kezia was very sad. She had been happy that she had prepared a surprise for her father and he would like it, but on the other hand, she had accidentally committed a big mistake. Then father came into the room with a ruler in his hand. उस समय father room में आते हैं, उनके हाथ में एक ruler होता है. I am going to beat you for this, he said. क्या बोलते हैं कि मैं तुम्हारी पिटाई करने वाला हूँ, यानी पनिशमेंट देने वाला हूँ जो तुमने गलती कही है. Oh no no, she screamed, hiding under the bedcloth. Bedclothes refers to the sheets, the top sheets that you cover yourself when you are sleeping. Now Kezia's father told her that he would beat her with the ruler. Kezia was so scared, so afraid, so frightened that she tried to hide under the sheets. He pulled them aside. वो उसको खींच के एक तरफ फेंक देते हैं, यानी किसको? बेडशीट को. Sit up, he ordered, and hold out your hands. You must be taught once and for all not to touch what does not belong to you. Now here we come to know that why Kezia's father was being strict with her. Why was the punishing her? Because he wanted Kezia to know this thing once for all, that she should not touch that things that does not belong to her. यानी आगे से वो चीजें नहीं छुए जो उसकी नहीं है, उसके काम की नहीं है. Right now she was a small child. She did not know what was important and what was not important. That's why unknowingly she has torn the important documents, important paper of her father. And so he was punishing her. He did not want to harm Kezia, but he wanted that Kezia should know. He wanted to give a lesson to Kezia should know that in future she should not touch anything that does not belong to her. But it was for your birthday. क्या बोलती है वो? नहीं, ये तो आपके बर्थडे के लिए मैंने सरप्राइज गिफ्ट बनाया है. Down came the ruler on her little pink palms. Hour later, when grandmother had wrapped her in a shawl and rocked her in a rocking chair, the child clung to her soft body. Kezia's father hit the palm of her hand with a ruler. Clung means to attach yourself to something. Now Kezia was so afraid she had got beaten by her father. Her father had hit her small little palms with the ruler, and many hours later her grandmother wrapped her in a shawl and was trying to pacify her. She made her sit in her lap, अपनी गोद में बिठा लेती हैं, on a rocking chair, and she was trying to put Kezia to sleep, and Kezia clung to her grandmother. What did God make father for? She sobbed. रोते रोते वो अपने बोलती है कि भगवान ने फादर क्यों बनाए. Here's a clean hanky, darling. Blow your nose. Go to sleep. Pet. You will forget all about it in the morning. I tried to explain to father, but he was too upset to listen tonight. Now Kezia's grandmother was trying to pacify her. She gave her a handkerchief and कहती हैं कि लो अपनी नाक को साफ कर लो and go to sleep. She added that by morning Kezia will forget all things, and Kezia tried to justify herself. She said that she was trying to explain to him the reason for tearing the sheets of paper, but he was not ready to listen to her. So again we see that the little girl was so innocent. She did not realize that her father hit her to teach her a lesson, so that she did not touch anything that did not belong to her in future. बट द चाइल्ड नेवर फॉरगेट, लेकिन जो बच्चे हैं वो कभी नहीं भूलते. नेक्स्ट टाइम शी सॉ हिम, शी क्विकली पुट बोथ हैंड्स बिहाइंड हर बैक एंड रेड कलर फ्लू इनटू हर चीक्स. बच्चे हैं, वो छोटी बच्ची है, वो कभी नहीं भूलती. जब भी वो अपने पापा को नेक्स्ट टाइम जब भी वो अपने पापा को देखती है, वो अपने दोनों हाथों को पीछे कर लेती है और फिर क्या होता है कि रेड कलर उसके गालों पर छा जाता है. सो नाउ कीजिया's grandmother had told her to go to sleep, and then by morning she would forget the beating that her father gave her. But Kezia never forget the beating that she had got. Whenever she saw her father approaching, she would keep her hand behind her back because she felt that maybe he would hit her again, and red color flew into her cheeks. Whenever she saw her father, she got scared and her cheeks got full of red color. द मैकडोनल्ड्स लिव्ड नेक्स्ट डोर. उनके घर के बगल में ही एक मैकडोनल्ड्स नामक व्यक्ति रहता था. दे हैड 5 चिल्ड्रन, उसके 5 बच्चे थे. लुकिंग थ्रू ए गैप इन द फेंस, द लिटिल गर्ल सॉ देम प्लेइंग टैग इन द इवनिंग. द फादर विद द बेबी मायो ऑन हिज शोल्डर्स, 2 little girls hanging on it to his coat pockets ran around and flower beds, shaking with laughter. Once she saw the boys turns the hose on him, and he tried to catch them, laughing at all the time. Here the writer tells us that about Kezia's neighbor. Her neighbors were a family named McDonald's. In all, the McDonald's had 5 children, and Kezia would peep at them through a hole in the fence. She would see that the family had a lot of fun. They played a game called tag. Tag is a tag, so all the children along with their father would have a lot of fun. Mr. McDonald would make his little baby Mayo sit on his shoulders, and the 2 little girls that he had, they would hang on his coat pockets. So all children were so much happy or so much attached to their father. They loved him so much, and that they would stick to him, and then they would run around the garden, around the flower beds, and they would laugh and laugh and laugh. Kezia also wanted to have such fun with her father. She missed it. One day, she saw that the little sons of McDonald's opened the hose on him. They opened the water pipe and tried to make him wet, but Mr. McDonald was not angry with them. लेकिन उसने देखा कि मिस्टर मैकडोनल्ड उससे बिल्कुल भी गुस्सा नहीं हुए हैं. He tried to catch them and he was laughing. This was very strange for Kezia because her father was just the opposite of McDonald's. क्योंकि उसके पापा जो थे वो मैकडोनल्ड से बिल्कुल अपोजिट थे. तो ये देखकर उसको बहुत हैरानी होती है. Then it was she decided there were different sorts of father. तो वो क्या डिसाइड करती है, उसको लगता है ना कि बहुत सारे अलग अलग तरीके के पापा लोगों के भी प्रकार होते हैं, टाइप्स होते हैं. Now when Kezia saw Mr. McDonald, she realized that he was quite opposite to her father. She felt that God had made various kinds of father. Suddenly one day, mother became ill. उसकी मम्मी जो बीमार हो जाती है, and she and grandmother went to hospital. उसकी मम्मी और उसकी दादी हॉस्पिटल जाते हैं. The little girl was left alone in the house with Alice, the cook. That was all right in the daytime. कि पूरे दिन तो सब सही रहा. But while Alice was putting her to bed, she grew suddenly afraid. लेकिन जैसे ही वो अपने बेडरूम में जाती है और वो वहाँ पर जाकर के डर जाती है. Now Kezia was all alone at home with the cook. The name of the cook is Alice. Now Kezia was fine during the daytime, but at night when the cook put Kezia to bed all alone, Kezia started feeling scared, feeling frightened. What will I do if I have a nightmare? उसको क्या लगता है कि मैं क्या करूँगी अगर मुझे कोई डरावना सपना आएगा. Nightmare means a bad dream. Casey asked Alice that if she had a bad dream, what would she do all alone? I often have nightmares and then Granny takes me into her bed. I can't stay in the dark. It all gets whispery. Kezia explained to Alice that whenever she had nightmares कि जब भी उसको बुरे सपने आते हैं she would go to her grandmother's कि वो अपने दादी के पास चली जाती है and she would sleep with her. So she said that she could not stay all alone in the dark because she would be scared. वो डर जाती है and she could hear different kinds of whispering sounds which made her feel that there was someone around her. उसको क्या लगता है कि कोई उसके आसपास है. You just go to sleep, child, said Alice. Alice उसको क्या कहती है, जाओ तुम जाके सो बच्चा, कुछ नहीं ऐसा है. Pulling off her socks and don't you scream and wake your poor pa. So Kezia's father was sleeping in the next room and Alice told Kezia to sleep quietly. She removed Kezia's socks and asked her not to scream कि चिल्लाना मत. She wanted her not to scream, wake her father, but Kezia was helpless. But the same old nightmare came. लेकिन उसको क्या होता है, उसी तरीके का बुरा सपना आता है. The butcher with a knife and a rope, who came nearer and nearer, smiling and dreadful smile, while she could not move, could only stand still, crying out, "Grandma, Grandma." She woke, shivering to see father beside her bed, a candle in his hand. A butcher means is a person who cuts animals, who cuts meat. So now this is the nightmare that Kezia had often. She would see a butcher man. So this butcher would hold a big knife. उसके हाथ में एक बहुत बड़ा चाकू है. A huge butcher's knife and rope, and he would approach Kezia. Kezia की तरफ आ रहा है. He had a dreadful smile on his face, and once Kezia would see him, she would feel that she was unable to move. She was so much scared, so much frightened of him. She was terrified to see the butcher, and in her sleep Kezia cried out for help. She called for her grandmother. When Kezia woke up, she was shivering. जब वो जग जाती है, देखती है वो शिवर कर रही होती है, कांप रही होती है. She was trembling and she saw that her father was standing next to her bed and he was holding a candle in his hand. So Kezia's father had heard her screams and he had heard that Kezia was calling for her grandmother and he had come to help her. What's matter? He said. उन्होंने पूछा क्या मामला है बच्चे? Oh butcher, a knife I want granny. वो butcher आया, उसके हाथ में चाकू है, मुझे granny चाहिए. He blew out of candle. वो candle को बुझा देते हैं. Bent down and caught up the child in his arm. Bent होते और बच्चों को अपने हाथ में पकड़ लेते हैं. Carrying her along the passage to the big bedroom, a newspaper was on the bed. So here we can see the affection that Kezia's father has for her child. He blew her little child, blew the candle off. He lifted her and carried her to his bedroom. A newspaper was on the bed. He put away the paper, then carefully tucked up the child. He lay down beside her, half asleep still with the butcher's smile all about her, it seemed. She crept close to him, snuggled her head under his arm, held tightly to his shirt. Snuggled means moved into a warm, comfortable position close to another person. Now Kezia felt her father's affection and so she went close to him. She snuggled herself towards her father and she held his shirt tightly so that she would not feel scared again. And now Kezia had overcome her fear of her father. Then the dark did not matter. She lay still. Now once Kezia was with her father, she was no longer afraid for darkness. Here, rub your feet against my legs and get them warm, said father. Her father asked Kezia to rub her feet against his legs so that they became warm. Tried out Tried out, he slept before the little girl. A funny feeling came over her poor father, not so big after all, and with no one to look after him, he was harder than grandmother, but it was a nice hardness. And every day he had to work and was too tired to be a Mr. McDonald. She had torn up all his beautiful writings. She stirred suddenly and sighed. What's the matter? Asked her father. Another dream. So now here Kezia realizes that her mistake and she had affection towards her father. She felt that her father was a poor man. He worked so hard throughout the day. He was not so big as she found. पहले उसको लगता है पापा बहुत बड़े हैं, उनका मुंह बहुत बड़ा है, giant के जैसे. Poor man, she worked very hard and so he got so tired that he went off to sleep and did not play with her like Mr. McDonald did with his children. But Kezia felt that her father's heart was also full of love for her. कीजिया को क्या फील होता है कि उसके पापा का दिल भी बहुत बड़ा है, उसमें बहुत प्यार है उसके लिए. She realizes that she was torn up his important document, the speech that he has written, and all this realization makes you take a deep breath. She realizes that she had been wrong and that's why her father had beaten her. He had been so strict with her. What the matter? What's the matter? Asked the father. Another dream. Although Kezia's father was asleep, he heard her sigh. He heard the sound that Kezia made and he asked her what the matter was. कि क्या मामला है? Was she again watching a bad dream? क्या वो दोबारा से खराब सपना देखने लग गई है? Oh said the little girl, my head's on your heart. I can hear it going. What's a big heart you have got, father dear? Now Kezia replied to her father that she had placed her head to her father's heart and she could hear his heartbeat. And she complimented her father that he had a big heart. So Kezia is showing her love for her father as she had realized that her father also loved her. So students, I hope you understand chapter. Watch this video again and do all the exercise from your textbook in your notebook. Thank you.